In this video, you will learn how to open game on a second monitor on Steam. Connect and set up a second monitor. Make sure your second monitor is properly connected to your PC and recognized in your display settings. Open display settings on your PC, right click on the desktop and choose display settings to configure your monitor arrangement. Set the second monitor as an extended display. Set your option to extend your display and position on the second monitor according to your setup. Choose primarily and secondary monitor. Decide which monitor will act as your primary screen. If you want the game on the secondary one, set that one as the primary, or drag the game window over to that side. Launch your Steam game. Open Steam and launch your desired game. The game should open on your set monitor, that is primary. Adjust in-game settings if you need to. Some games will allow you to display your monitor in the game, or graphics settings for more control. Now you know how to open your game on the second monitor for Steam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.